Welcome to the Ultimate Study Guide, where science meets strategy. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to acing biology with a foolproof system you can use every single time. Let's dive in. Before the lecture, Step 1 to owning biology is preparation. Before the lecture, preview your material like a detective cracking a case. Check your syllabus for upcoming topics, skim assigned readings, and watch quick intro videos to connect the dots. Got your checklist ready? Jot down learning objectives, highlight key concepts, and ask yourself, what don't I know yet? This preps your brain for action. During the lecture, now it's game time. Master the Cornell method to take notes like a pro. Divide your page into sections. One for questions, one for detailed notes, and a summary at the bottom. Need structure? Try charting. It's great for comparisons and processes. Remember, the more you engage, the better you retain. After the lecture, while the ideas are fresh, review and organize your notes. Add diagrams and highlights to make them pop. Use the blurting method. Write everything you recall without peeking. Summarize the day's lesson in a sentence or two, and tackle practice questions to lock in your knowledge. Biology rewards effort. Exam prep. When exams loom, break it down with RWWP. Read your notes or textbook, write notes and summaries using the Cornell method, watch videos and practice questions. Mix up formats, multiple choice, and problem solving. And hey, biology is visual, so use mind maps and videos to solidify those tricky processes. Experiments. Science is hands-on. Understand the why behind experiments. Identify your variables, outline your steps, and predict your outcomes. Got results? Analyze them and don't shy away from reflecting on errors. Every test is a step closer to mastering the scientific method. Now, my friends, you've got the blueprint. Now go crush it in biology. If you found these tips helpful, hit like and subscribe to stay ahead in class. Also, this Notion template much more detailed and clear, and it's freely available, so check it out in the box below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.